In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a widget in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com dashboard and make sure you're on the dashboard where you want the widget to appear. This is important because widgets are added directly to a specific dashboard, so you'll want to begin in the exact place where you plan to view and manage that information later. Once you're on the dashboard, click Add Widget. This will open the widget library, where Monday.com gives you a range of options designed to help you visualize, organize, and track your work in different ways. Depending on what you need, you might see widgets for charts, numbers, timelines, workloads, calendars, and other useful dashboard tools. Take a moment to browse the available widget options. This step matters because each widget serves a different purpose, and choosing the right one will make your dashboard much more helpful and easier to understand. As you look through the list, pay attention to the names and previews so you can identify which widget best matches the kind of data you want to display. When you've found the one you want, select the widget you'd like to use. After choosing it, Monday.com will begin the setup process and prompt you to connect that widget to a board or another data source. This connection is what allows the widget to pull in the information it needs, so be sure to choose the correct board or source for the results you want to see on the dashboard. Next, customize the widget settings. This is where you can adjust how the widget works and how the data is presented. The exact options will vary depending on the type of widget you selected, but in general, this is your chance to refine the display so it's clear, useful, and relevant to your workflow. Take your time here because even small changes in settings can make a big difference in how easy the widget is to read. Once everything looks right, save your changes. After saving, check that the widget displays correctly on the dashboard. Make sure the information loads properly. The layout looks clean, and the data shown matches what you expected from the board or source you connected. If something doesn't look right, it's a good idea to review the widget settings and connection details before moving on. In many cases, a quick adjustment is all it takes to get the widget working exactly the way you want. And that's how to add and set up a widget in Monday.com.